Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. On today's video, we will be going over our hustle and leftover cash for September 2022. So if that's something you'd like to see, stay tuned. And here we go. Because I decided to do the video a different way this time. So we will go over and unstuff the money as I'm going along. Oh, because this keeps getting stuck. So in eBay, according to this, we should have 60, 20, and 30 for each week. I actually keep a record of each week how much I make, and I usually round out the cash and leave like the little change or whatever little dollars are left. So first, the second week I made $10, third week 20, fourth week 60. So I should have $90 here. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, $90, which is correct. And we'll zero that out. And 90, and that's September, 0. So that's it for eBay. Next thing, offer. We didn't have anything this month. And I think I'm going to just take the stuff that I have off of this website because it's so whack. People tell you they're coming to pick stuff up. They don't show up. All that good stuff. So it's driving me crazy. Monthly color challenge, which I'm doing I do this challenge just so I can stuff other things. So this month we stuffed September and February. So February had 150, September had 120 with a total of 270. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 270 in monthly color challenge. I don't think I have hundreds of stuff, so at least I don't remember. So I'm gonna deduct this 270, and that's February and September. So that's the monthly color challenge. Overtime pay. I had 240 for the first week of September and 155 for the fourth week. This was 90, 60, 80, 90. And then this 240, that's 395. So overtime should be 395. Oops. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. 395. I used to combine my overtime and all that with my paycheck before, but I decided to do it this way. So we're subtracting 395 for OT. And I had a holiday pay in, which was Labor Day, in September. So this was the first holiday pay since I started this process. So we should have 140. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 20, 40. So 140 in holiday. Then leftovers from our wallet and stuff. For Lizzy, we have $20, $35, $40. So 20, 30, 40. Minus 40. This $40 should have gone in my binder too, but we'll see. I think I just wrote October on something. So, yep. Don't have time to get some acetone right now, so. Eating Out only has $3. We're taking everything. So 10, 01, minus 3. And that's September. Household has 5. And groceries has 20. And emergency has 5. And nothing in accounts. So 20 and 10. So household is 5, emergency 5, 20 groceries, nothing in account. So we're going to add this to 90, 270, 395, 140, 40, 3, 10, and 20, 968. So I did $968 this month. It's less than the prior 2 months, but I'm still grateful. If this was $100, I'll still be grateful for my $100. So we're just gonna count it, make sure it's 968. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40. So 740. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 150. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, $70. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. 968. So let's see what we're going to do with the funds. I decided to start this me getting sick, having to stay home, don't have any sick days, put a little bug in my head. So now I have a binder where I have to save emergency money. So we'll see how that goes. Probably each month most of this will go in that binder. We'll see. So let me see where my money is gonna go, and I'll be right back. So here we go. I decided to put $9.60 in months ahead, and I just took the $8, the 8 singles out, and I'll put it in my binder. So like I said, I created this, and I forgot to do one for groceries. So I have a bunch of cash to stuff. I still have the funds for my business and my Lizzy binder that I haven't stuffed yet. So we'll see what I get through, but this is for months ahead. So I got some larger bills from some of my other binders, and I decided to put $700 into rent, $50 into Con Edison, which is gas and electric, 25, 25, 5. Everything is going to have the same amount that I'm stuffing since it just started. So I created these envelopes with glitter. It didn't come out too well, but it's rocking. You can hardly tell. Anyway, I like them. So rent is gonna get 7. So we're gonna take the 400s, the 250s, and 1020s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 7. So 700 in rent. Con Ed, we're gonna add 50, which is 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, because all the funds was already in the house, I just had to use what out. So the breakdown is like mostly small bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in Con Ed. Cable is getting 25. My insurance is getting 25. Wait a minute. I think the 25 is supposed to be something completely different. 2 tens and a 5. Oops. The cable is 2 tens and a 5. I mean, insurance. I'm so confused right now. Canadian was 50. Cable is 25. Oh, that's right. My insurance is also 2 tens and a 5. 1, 2, and a 5. My son's insurance, which is way cheaper than mine, so it's only getting $5. iCloud, I didn't really have to put anything, but I'm gonna put 5, and probably that's it for, because iCloud is only like $1, I think, or yeah, $1. Expedient is getting $10, which is 2 5s. Travel is getting 40, which is 3 10s and 2 5s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Storage room is getting 30. A 10 and a 4 5s. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Canva and Cricut is getting 5 each. 1, 2. And I'm gonna have to make a sticker for groceries. And groceries is getting the final 60. 20, 40, 50, 60. That's groceries. And that's it for our month ahead binder. So from now on, when I on Stuff Hustle Money each month, some will go to our month ahead and some will go to sinking funds. So that's it for this stuffing. I still have to stuff my business binder, my car, and my personal binder. So we'll see what we can do. I want to thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye.